Tired of your payment details hanging around on Discord? Let's get them out of there. Quick. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is open your Discord mobile app and tap on your profile icon. It's usually in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, within your user settings, scroll down until you see the account section and tap on it. This will bring up all the settings related to your account. Here, you should see an option that says payments. Go ahead and tap on it to view your payment settings. Next, you'll see a list of your saved payment methods currently. To remove one, tap the three vertical dots, often called the More button, next to the payment method you want to delete. This will pull up a pop-up menu. In this menu, you can see a few options. Tap Remove in this menu to permanently delete the payment method. Now, Discord will likely ask you if you are sure you want to remove the selected payment method at once. To confirm that you know what you are doing, to confirm, tap Remove, and just like that, your payment method is gone. You've successfully removed it. If you have more payment methods, repeat these steps. Remember, keeping your payment info secure on any app is important. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.